To go far into the future, some stories have to start way back in the past. Never before has a single family conquered, explored, and invented as much as the three Picard generations. They have written history. But what about today? Is it still possible to write history? How can we live those same emotions again in the 21st century? What is still there to inspire the next generations? Today, Bertrand Piccard and André Boschberg have teamed up to build the first airplane of perpetual endurance, able to fly day and night without fuel, and take it around the world on solar power by 2015. A challenge considered impossible by many specialists.
With scientific exploration, I want to inspire others to also achieve the impossible, thanks to pioneering spirit.
The CO2.
Bertrand Piccard, explorer and psychiatrist, wants to demonstrate how new technologies and pioneering spirit can bring a significant contribution to a more sustainable world.
I know that dreams fuel innovation, and I also know that human commitment and new technologies can really change the world.
André Boschberg, engineer, entrepreneur and professional pilot, leads the technical team who build the most incredible airplane of its time. Together with technical partners and mission specialists, he develops the strategies for the flight around the world and achieves the first day and night solar flight.
Завершили испытания самолета на срочном питании.
In the Alpha, you have a tail wheel lift off. You have a main wheel lift off. 1 meter, 2 meters.
So much needs to be done in order to offer a safer world to our children. Nowadays, the new challenges concern environment, energy, and ecology. Our world desperately needs new solutions to reduce the negative impact of human beings on the delicate balance of nature.
If you have a message you want to get out, you need to have a weapon like this aeroplane to get the message out, and the need to try to power our world on clean energy.
But for this, we need political courage and pioneering spirit.
Inspiring generations, bringing innovative solutions to the challenges of humanity. Inventing a brighter future.
It's amazing, just amazing.
It's the beginning of a revolution.
This engineering marvel touches on 4 really critical areas for the Department of Energy. These are examples of the technologies that will make 10 years from now look just as different as it does when we look back 10 years and see the enormous changes that we've had.
Behind every achievement, men and women have dedicated their passion and their courage to write the most incredible pages of the history books. They have invented the future by going beyond the frontiers of certainties. They have trusted in the power of their dreams, and their visions have changed the world. In the footsteps of these great pioneers, will Bertrand Piccard and André Boschberg succeed in their attempt to achieve the first ever solar flight around the world? Will Solar Impulse 2 make it across continents and oceans without a single drop of fuel? Or is the challenge too high? Here again, the spirit of exploration has a role to play if we want to change the world. And you can be a part of it.